Laok TV, andito po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Mabini, Tanawan, Batangas. At pinasyalan po natin ang Badcat Game Farm ni Mr. Dave Lau. Ito ay upang alamin, siyempre, tungkol sa farm niya at siyempre ang pinagkakaabalahan natin pag breeding season especially, ang kanyang mga bloodlines. So ito po ang ating interview with Mr. Dave Lau. As promised, andito naman po tayo parang ipakita sa inyo ang isa pang bloodline ng Badcat Game Farm ni Mr. Dave Lau. Sa hinabahaba ng pagsasabong natin, napakadaming pangalan ng sweaters. Kay Carol Nesmith, of course, meron tayo, di ba? Poso, 5K, and so on, no? So, ito naman are the possum or sweater verticals. Ayan. Why were they called verticals?
These were really bred in the 90s ni Carol. And the name really came from a Mexican. Meron binili kila Carol before na nilaban, tapos nagpanalo. And then, nung tumawag ulit kay Carol,
Hindi niya masabi kung ano yun.
oh, because yung laban lang siya na laban. So, hiningi yung marking, ganyan-ganyan, binigay nila Carol, and then they specifically wanted yung marking na yun because yun nga, sinabi na they fight vertically. So, that's where the name
Yeah, sweater verticals.
Sila Carol, they call it the verticals.
Ano kaya to? Kamag-anak kaya to? Napansin ko lang kasi
They're
pinakita mo beforehand ng mga possums, mga kwan. Mas pongkan. Ito darker. Di ba ang mas lumang bloodline ni Carol, mga darker? Or
Yung sinasabi nyo na nilalaban ni Carol before na medyo mas dark, those are crosses ng Sweaters and the Stewarts.
Okay.
Ito, I know may Stewart blood din ito. Meron din, but I don't know exactly how Carol made it or bred it into a family.
So they're darker sa observation ko lang.
Oo. They're bred out of the possum. But definitely meron Stewart blood to.
Tapos typically darker siya. Of course, yellow-legged din, no? Picom. Guwapo din naman, no? Sweater din, kumbaga. Mas madilim nga lang. Nasa nakasanayan natin kung minsan na tawag natin lagi pongkan. So, ano yan? Paano naman ang maintenance yan? Kuha ka rin ng exactly same marking.
Ganun lang naman. Kasi the only way na ma-maintain mo sila is you should get from within the family, but distant. So that, alam mo yun, hindi sila babagsak na agad. Kasi too much inbreeding will cause you a lot of trouble.
So what happens kung kuan? Ano ba yan? Kinocross mo ba yan sa possum mo mismo? Or?
Pwede. You can breed them to the possum, you can breed them to the Stewarts, you can also breed them to the Germans.
Okay.
Pwede.
Pero kung silang dalawa, pwede ba yun pang breeding material? Pag possum verticals?
Pwede. Pwede naman.
Pang kuan. How different is this compared sa possum lang versus verticals na? Fighting and anong naobserbahan mo na kaibahan nito?
Mas mataas bumrake, of course. Ito mga verticals. Ang laro nila mas umaakyat. Actually, 12 years ago, binanggit na sa akin ni Mr. Adelio. And then, after a few years, thinking about it, tsaka ko dinecide na to have this family of sweaters. Siya ang nagsabi sa akin na, why don't you try getting the verticals, ganito, ganyan.
So this came later than the 1997, 1998 na mga kuan?
Mas later.
Kuan pala to pang huli na siya nakuha.
Yeah, and they breed well with the possum because galing sila doon eh. Doon sila na-develop. And you can also breed them to the Stewarts, you can breed them to the Gilmores. Like I said, everything that I have, they should breed well together. Kasi
Yun ang criteria mo eh.
if you have something that doesn't go along with yung other flocks, parang, di ba, iba.
Tapos, sa mga, di ba, nagkukuhan ka na nga, may mga bumibili na dito, may mga buyers ka na. So, kung minsan naman talaga, hindi naman nila ina-acknowledge yung manok mo yon. Pero wag mo na lang sabihin yung mga events na lang na nagpapanalo kasi madami-dami na siguro yon. Si ganito, wag mo na lang mention yung breeder siguro, pero
No, we'll just, parang,
yung events lang, yung mga
there's certain big events na lang. Para just to, alam mo naman, parang,
like mga bakbakan na
We
naka
have.
11 and a half, pero of course
yeah. Kasi,
they were your birds, pero they were
kasi if people buy chickens from you, it's really up to them kung i-acknowledge mo nila o hindi. But for me, they paid for it, so
yeah.
it's okay if you do, it's okay if you don't. Parang ganun. But as long as I know, at least parang I know kung anong level ng competition yung nilaban, and doon mo rin na-judge din yung manok mo kung anong category ka na o anong level na labanan.
Ngayon ba, where do you fight? Do you fight on your own? Or
I only fight sa mga sa mga associations.
yung may obligatory fights na tinatawag? You have to fight because you're a member.
I don't have enough to fight. Usually bought. So I would be lucky if I'll have one entry for a certain derby.
Yung mga future buyers natin, for example, kasi nga commercial ka na, would you give out your numbers kung pwede ka na ba nilang tawagan to buy? Or?
It's 0917-541-7405.
Yan. So yun po ang number niya. Ngayon naman po hingin natin sa kanya kung ano ba dapat bilhin ninyo sa kanya kung kunyari lang hindi magba-battle cross. Hindi sila bibili ng battle cross but bibiling seed pulse. Kung if you have anong recommendations mo na how should they breed?
It like I have these bloodlines na they have different characteristics like the Sweaters, Gilmores, Stewarts, this vertical. So mahirap recommend. So it's best na yung buyer mismo kasi di ba chickens, this should be personal na kung ano yung preference ng bawat tao. It might be good for me, might not be good enough for you. So dapat mas maganda kung bibili kayo personal. Na nandun kayo, pinipili nyo, at least yung binabayaran mo, alam mo, gusto mo.
So yun ang mas maganda mga kasabong kung nire-recommenda niya, kung bibili kayo dito, pumili kayo dito. Pumunta kayo sa farm mismo. Mahirap naman po kasi, totoo naman yung sabi niya, maaring gusto niya yung pinadala sa inyo, baka hindi niya naman magustuhan. So, gano'n. Any parting words to our viewers?
Good luck sa upcoming derbies.
So, yun din. Good luck everyone. And sa susunod po